In New York, we have what's called Labor Law 240. And Labor Law 240 is an amazing law that protects construction workers from gravity related accidents. So when you're talking about something that falls, anything that's gravity related, the workers are completely covered, meaning that the defendants have a non delegable duty to ensure that the work site is safe and free of any of these sort of hazards. Okay. Um, Along with Labor Law 240 in New York, we have what's called Labor Law 241-6, which gives you an opportunity to allege specific violations of the industrial code. So, and then under Labor Law 200, you're able to just sue under general negligence. So, again, these laws are very pro worker, um, and it's an amazing law that protects workers from gravity related injuries in New York.